My name is Victoria Shpekovich, and today I would like to discuss with you the potential of plasmon-assisted microscopy of nano-objects, PAMONO technique, for diagnostic and treatment of COVID-19 and other viral pathologies. This is joint lecture which I prepared together with my colleague from Technical University of Dortmund, Konstantin Wüsterfeld. And the first part of this lecture will be devoted to details about PAMONO-sensor instrument by itself. And in the second part of this lecture, Konstantin will discuss questions associated with software development for PAMONO-sensor.